Now we are going to start with India and its neighborhood. So first we'll cover India, China for your prelims exam. China and India is in news because of various reasons like border dispute, water dispute, plus Tibet issue. So first we'll start with India-China border dispute. Okay. Now the border tension between China and India come to the forefront once again following the ongoing standoff between India and China in the northern Sikkim and Ladakh region, that is across the line of actual control. So we'll see what is important for your prelims or from which area they can ask, UPSC can ask a question. So we'll cover from that perspective. Now understand first India-China border dispute. The border between India and China is not clearly demarcated throughout and there is no mutually agreed line of actual control. This is the first information which you have to remember. Now the LAC is the demarcation that separates Indian controlled territory from Chinese controlled territory. Now India considers the LAC to be somewhat around 3,488 km long, whereas the Chinese considered it to be only around 2,000 km. Now, if you see, the LAC is divided in three sectors. First is western sector, then middle sector, and third is eastern sector. So we'll see all these sectors one by one. Now the boundary dispute in the western sector, that is Ladakh area, pertains to the Johnson Line, which was proposed by the British in 1860s, that extended up to the Kunlun Mountains and put Aksai Chin in the then princely state of Jammu and Kashmir. India used this Johnson Line and claimed Aksai Chin as its own. China, however, do not recognize it and instead accepts McDonald Line, which puts Aksai Chin under its control. So it is a dispute between McDonald Line and Johnson Line. So India considered Johnson Line, China McDonald. Now in the middle sector, that is Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, the dispute is a minor one. Now here the LAC is the least controversial except for the precise alignment to be followed in the Bhairoti plains. India and China have exchanged maps on which they broadly agree. So we don't know कब इस middle plain पे भी fight हो जाए, China controversial कर दे. Now the disputed boundary in the eastern sector, that is Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim, is over the McMahon Line, that is in Arunachal Pradesh, and decided in 1914 in a meeting of representatives, that is of China, India and Tibet in Shimla. Though the Chinese representative at the meeting initiated the agreement, they subsequently refused to accept it. Now the Tawang tract claimed by the China was taken over by India in 1951. So this is all about border dispute which is divided into three sectors. This is what you have to remember for your exam.